Hello everyone, thank you for opening this video tutorial. My name is Mohammad Jahidul Tushar, and I'm going to share with you how we can add a shapefile in Google Earth Pro. So it's easy. Let's get started. First of all, go to the file as we are showing the Google Earth Pro interface here, and you have to go to the file and then open the directory you want to add. Like I'm going to add like Dhaka city or Dhaka city administrative shapefile. So here you can see that there is no file inside it because we didn't give the default, or you can say the file type. So here we will use the ES3 shapefile. Here is ES3 shapefile. Now the boundary or the shapefile is visible. So I'm going to add this shapefile. Okay, I'm this boundary shapefile. Okay, open. Then they need apply. If you want to need any apply or any like template or style, then you can say yes, otherwise you can say no. In this moment I would like to give it no. So here file we got. So if you are seeing that your app interface is like in horizontal view, you can easily track it in write mode by using the R button. So here is the shapefile. Actually, if you check it, then the shapefile is visible properly. Okay, thank you.